Afternoon students, I am Santosh Shah. Today we are going to discuss about the chemistry lesson. So we are again going to revise is matter around us pure. Do you know what is matter? As you know that matter is anything which occupies mass, which has mass and occupies space. So anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. It can be solid, liquid or gas. If we classify the matter, then we get two types of the matter. So first is pure matter and second is impure substance. You can see here the definition of matter. Anything which has mass and occupies space is called a matter. It may be solid, liquid or gas. Matter is of two types. One is pure matter, second is impure substance. So what is a pure matter? Now this question is coming in your mind, what is pure matter? Pure matter or pure substance is a material which contains only one kind of atoms or molecules. The material which contains only one kind of atom or molecule is called pure substance. Pure substance may be defined as material which contains only one kind of atom or molecules. So pure substances are also of two kinds. One is element and second one is compound. As you know that element is a pure matter because it contains only one kind of atoms. Pure substances which are made up of only one kind of atoms are known as elements. So elements are made up of only one kind of atoms. So all atoms in an elements are identical. So you can see here all atoms in an element are identical. Atoms of different elements are different. So different elements have different kinds of atoms. Now the second point is coming compound. Compound pure substances which are made up of only one kind of molecules. So we can see here element is made up of only one kind of atom, but compound is made up of only one kind of molecule. So keep in mind, if anyone is asking what is element, what is a compound, then compound you have to say compound is a pure substances which is made up of only one kind of molecule. The different elements are combined in the fixed proportion in the compound. Now next point is coming impure matter. Impure matters are also called mixture. Impure matter are also called mixture. So mixture is a impure matter. A mixture is a material which contains two or more different kinds of particles. Particles means it can be atoms or molecules. So a mixture is a material which contains two or more different kind of particles which don't react chemically but are physically mixed together in any proportion. For example, you can see sand. If we are taking sand and pebbles, if we mix them together, they don't react, but physically they are mixed in any proportion. In any proportion means if we are taking some amount of salt and some pebbles in any proportion, in any ratio, if we mix them, then they are physically mixed together, not chemically. They don't react. So impure matters are also called mixture. So mixture is a impure matter. So we can see here mixture are also of two types. One is homogeneous mixture and second is a heterogeneous mixture. homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, a mixture is said to be homogeneous if all the components of mixture are uniformly mixed and there are no boundaries of the separation between them. For example, salt in water. If we mix salt in water, then we get the homogeneous mixture. A mixture is said to be homogeneous if all the components of the mixture are uniformly mixed. It means if we add salt in water, so all the component of the salts uniformly mixed in the water, that is liquid, so there is no boundary of the separation between them. Means we cannot separate by filtration method. We cannot separate. If we mix salt in water, then we cannot see salt in the water because it will disappear. So this type of the mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture are mixture in which all components of the mixture are uniformly mixed and there are no boundaries of the separation between them. The best example is salt in water. Second is heterogeneous mixture. A mixture is said to be heterogeneous if all the components of the mixture are not thoroughly mixed and there are visible boundaries of the separation between them. For example, sand in water. If we add sand in 1 glass of water, then all the particles of the sands will not disappear. So some particles will be visible in the glass. So this type of the mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. This type of mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. So the best example is sand in water. Sand in water.